Hi, I'm Christopher Franklin with Brown Harris Stevens. Welcome to 45th Avenue, apartment 11B, located on the Gold Coast of Greenwich Village. Apartment 11B is a newly renovated, never lived in before, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, high floor, sunlit, corner exposure apartment with high ceilings, gorgeous hardwood floors, beautiful wood-burning fireplace with some of the most special views in all of Greenwich Village. The architectural elements are so spectacular, from the beautiful columns, the inlaid marble from Italy that transitions between the spaces, and gorgeous picture lights throughout. This apartment is ready for you to move in. This home includes central air throughout, gas range, everything that you would want in modern luxury living, you have here in a new renovation, but in a gorgeous pre-war co-op. Fifth Avenue is located on the Gold Coast of Greenwich Village, situated perfectly between Union Square and Washington Square Park. It is next to all of the best restaurants, and it is truly downtown living at its finest. Thank you for joining me today at 45th Avenue, apartment 11B. Please reach out to me or Brian J. Manning if we can show you this beautiful home.